Hi there! Welcome back to Learn German Daily, day 9 of our journey. Yesterday, you learned the days of the week. Today, we're going bigger, the months of the year and how to tell the date in German. By the end of this video, you'll be able to name every month and say today's date confidently in German. Let's get started. Quick reminder, if you're enjoying this series, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss a single day. All right, let's dive in.
Let's start with the first half of the year. Repeat after me. Januar, January. Februar, February. März, March. April, April. Mai, May. Juni, June. Good news, many German months sound quite similar to English, which makes them easier to remember. Let's repeat all 6 together. Januar, Februar, März, April, Mai, Juni. Great job! You're halfway through the year already.
Now let's finish the year. Repeat after me. Juli, July, August, August, September, September, October, October, November, November, Dezember, December. Let's repeat all 6 together. Juli, August, September, October, November, Dezember. Excellent! You now know all 12 months in German. Now let's learn how to ask and tell the date. Repeat after me. Welches Datum ist heute? Meaning, what is today's date? Heute ist der. Meaning, today is the. To finish the sentence, you'd add the day number and month. For example, heute ist der 10. Mai, meaning today is the 10th of May. Let's put this into a real, natural conversation. I'll say each line, then you repeat it. Welches Datum ist heute? Meaning, what's today's date? Heute ist der 1. Januar. Meaning, today is the 1st of January. Mein Geburtstag ist im August. Meaning, my birthday is in August. See how naturally the months fit into real sentences? You could talk about dates and birthdays right now in German. And that's a wrap for day 9. Let's recap what you learned today. You now know all 12 months of the year in German and how to ask and tell the date. Tomorrow, on day 10, we're learning how to tell time in German, a skill you'll use every single day. If you enjoyed this lesson, hit subscribe, drop a like, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bis bald! See you soon!